Kaizer Chiefs and other big guns have set their sights on players from Polokwane City, although there has been an apparent difficulty in getting their targets, and sources have indicated why. Following their impressive performances, which helped Rise and Shine to finish 8th on the log in their first season back in the top flight, Tabang Matulutu and Osun Apolis have attracted interest in the PSL and abroad. With Chiefs still hopefully of winning the race for Apolis before the transfer window deadline next Friday, the Soweto Giants are understood to be also trying for Matuluti's signature with a view to add him to Nazareth Nabi squad. Matuluti, who played alongside Chiefs' new signing Rashwin Dotley in defence for South Africa during the 2024 COSAFA Cup in June, had also been on the radar of Amakosi's perennial rivals Orlando Pirates. However, interesting has been there all along from the big clubs in Tabang, but the issue here is that his club is reluctant to sell. It isn't like the club doesn't want to allow the players to go for greener pastures, but it's about the team keeping the momentum in the PSL, said the source. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.